So in this video, I'm going to go over some networking basics, an overview of ports and protocols, and client-side network configuration. First, let's go over some technical coaching questions. Why is network knowledge required in almost every IT job? Devices solely work in isolation. They rely on connectivity, name resolution, services, and internet access. Many support tickets are ultimately network related. Most devices rely on the network to connect and work properly. Systems rely on services like DNS, DHCP, internet, and cloud applications. Printers, shared drives, email, Zoom, all depend on network connectivity. Even cybersecurity and cloud systems are built on a foundation of networking. Some networking topics that you should make sure you know and are aware of. So the next technical career coaching question: what networking concepts appear most frequently in entry-level IT interviews? First, you'll probably be asked about IP addressing and subnet basics. You'll be asked about DNS and how websites are resolved. You'll probably be asked about DHCP and automatic IP assignment. You might get asked the difference between TCP and UDP, and you're going to want to know these common ports and protocols: HTTPS, FTP, SSH, RDP, and DNS. Also, make sure you have some basic Wi-Fi troubleshooting steps. Often, understanding the troubleshooting process with networking is more important than memorizing every number. Thanks for checking out the video. If you haven't taken a moment, please subscribe. I really appreciate it. Also, please check out digitalfutureseducation.com, where you can sign up for free learning groups and free learning resources. Also, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to drop them in the comments. The next technical coaching question: what does an IP address represent in practical terms? An IP address helps identify a device on a network. It works like a digital address for communication between devices. Devices use IP addresses to send and receive data. Incorrect IP settings can prevent internet or network access. IP problems are usually device specific, while outages may affect multiple users. Understanding IP addressing helps technicians isolate where the problem exists. Now let's go into some career coaching questions. How can students practice their networking skills outside of class? You can explore the settings on a home router or modem. Learn to run some basic networking commands like ipconfig, ping, tracert, nslookup. Identify devices connected to the home network. Label and map out the home devices. Practice explaining how internet traffic moves through a network. And build your confidence by troubleshooting simple connectivity issues at home. So the final career coaching question: what career paths grow from strong network fundamentals? The first one is help desk technician. The first line of support. There's desktop support technician, which is often aligned with supporting mainly desktop devices and other devices within office spaces. A network support specialist, who may be even more specifically focused on working on the network. A systems administrator, who would be in charge of overseeing the network as a whole. A cybersecurity analyst, and that's due to the connection between cybersecurity threats and networks. A cloud support associate, for the same reason, the close connection between networks and cloud technologies. An IT support specialist, a general title, but still needs network knowledge and skills. Networking knowledge strengthens almost every career path in IT. It's an important skill to have, develop, and grow. And strong network troubleshooting skills often separate average technicians from advanced troubleshooters. So as a closing prompt question, what is one idea from network basics that you could explain to someone else in the coming week, and how would you explain its benefit in an IT role? Can you now try to explain IP addresses or domain names to another person? In what ways would understanding networking help you with solving tech tickets? And identify a networking skill that you want to improve before your next certification or interview opportunity.